Welcome back, everybody. It's a rare day in Florida where we have a cloudy day. Pretty much fully cloudy, if anything, a little overcast. But it's going to bring the sun down, and I figured, you know what? Let's get into this dent here. Unfortunately, though, it's still very humid, so I might have to run a fan. I'm already sweating like crazy, but yeah, today we're going to do a little paintless dent repair, like I was saying. Bought the kit for $50 on Amazon. Seemed like a pretty good kit. And looking at this bodywork here, I think it's manageable. We're not gonna, like I said, we're not gonna get it perfect. I am not a body guy at all, but let's see what we can get done. Also, absolutely mind what the hell I did to my garage. It is more of a junk unit now than an actual garage.
I'm the trash man. I throw trash all over the ring.
But I was able to haul it out so we can do this. I hope it wouldn't take long, so let's get started. So yeah, the reason I'm doing this in this mound of trash that I own is because I need an outlet for, well, the fan, of course, because now it's hot, a heat gun, and a hot glue gun to pop this out. And it's the only freaking outlet we have in this whole entire garage. But I'm gonna make it work. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do here is try to get rid of this paint transfer. It really just looks like it's been a plastic bumper. I don't think any of the paint of my car was lost. We'll find that out shortly, but I'm just gonna use some alcohol here and some paper towels, a rag, and just try to work in as much of the surface level stuff that I can. So we'll just give that a shot real quick. Just work it in. A little bit of elbow grease, that's all you need. And if this doesn't work, which it's kind of being stubborn right now, I got a clay bar that I'm gonna use, and that should really get it good. All right, so I really wasn't successful with just some alcohol and paper rag, but I got a little piece of clay and this applicator I got from here. I don't know how it works. I'm just following the instructions, so pretty much gonna bring that over it. And what this will do, I'm doing it right, get the paint out of here. They say it's good for it to catch, but it looks like it's doing something. So it's probably just gonna be a while of doing this. See how much I can get out. So yeah, after I circled back and actually learned how to use a clay bar, it turned out amazing. Check this out.
Nice.
And we haven't lost any paint. That's the incredible part. I think like right here, I can't even tell. There's maybe like a little, it's just hard to focus on this, but maybe just a little speck of paint like lost a chip, but this is amazing. You know, from looking like it just gashed the side of my paint off to nothing, man. A little bit of clay bar goes a long way, I gotta say. It's the first time using it. I'm impressed. Okay, this next part's gonna suck for me because I'm gonna have to turn off the fan, get really hot, use this heat gun to heat up the area. The metal's a little more movable. We're gonna use this glue gun to take these little tabs, put hot glue on them, stick them to various parts of the car, let them dry, sit, and then what we'll do is slide them right on here to the slide hammer and hopefully pop them off. All right, we let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna hook this thing on here. Hope it don't take my paint off. That didn't work. So I found this weird looking one that had like three, I don't know, I just cut off the ends over here. Figured it would have a bigger contact patch. I put it right in the middle and I could pull most of it out. That's what I'm hoping, so we'll give this a shot. All right, that's on there. Now we're gonna wait a little longer this time. Be a little more patient. The trait I need to learn. Where's the damn hammer? Oh, there it is. Waited close to 8 minutes this time. Let's see if this works. Please work. Oops. All right, let me get it on correctly this time. What is wrong with me? Woo, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, I mean, I gotta take this off, but that's much straighter. Gonna work on this end and that end, pull it out, and we should be pretty good actually. Let's keep at it. taking a quick look at it, there's now several little dents. I mean, I hope that's kind of normal. And I really don't want it to be like a wave, but I guess a wave is better than a big old dent in the side. Like I said, this ain't gonna be perfect, this is just gonna be better. And next I think I'm gonna transition to this tool, which is a smaller tool. You kind of put it on the side of the car over here, and you can section smaller angle. This will just pull it. And I think I have enough room on the side to do that without using the hammer. And maybe we can get it just pretty straight. It might be a little wavy, but also I'll say about this tool, it doesn't bode the most confidence. This is like really cheap plastic. Feels like it will break when you try to do its job, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, let's drive. Let's see if we can get in on here with this. I don't know. Maybe? Oh, a little bit. Like I said, it might be a little bit wavy, but we'll move on to the next one and the next one. Oops, that one came off. Maybe these ones need a little more time. Expected. I feel like we're just trying to get the little dings out at this point. It looks a lot worse on camera than in person, I'll be honest, but it's definitely a lot better than a giant dent in the side. Also, this car needs to be cleaned. All right, so I skipped ahead, tried to pull the littlest dings I could, and well, it's not perfect, but this is what I got. Now, I will say, it looks a lot worse in camera. Let me see if I can get a better angle. All right, actually, here in the light, it looks much better. Now you can see the whole thing. I definitely have to wash this car. It's covered in crap, but much better than it was before. So, yeah, $50, and you can kind of correct it. I mean, you're gonna have that line, that's probably gonna be there. If you want to get this thing perfect, it is gonna need to be done some serious body work. But as is right now, I can absolutely live with that. She's a 50-footer for sure. So yeah, guys, honestly, that was relatively easy. Just time-consuming, little patience, little elbow grease. But yeah, if you got a dent smaller than that, maybe singular in that area, I would highly suggest you do that instead of paying somebody. You know, I'm not a body guy whatsoever. I think I've disclaimed this many a time. So just gave it a whirl, and a couple hours, I'm satisfied with it. It wasn't gonna be perfect. I knew it wasn't gonna be perfect. I had paintless dent removal guys tell me that, and instead of bringing it to a body shop, paying lots of money to get perfect to a car that honestly, paint needs a whole paint job. It needs a lot of love. $50 on Amazon in a weekend, just to look decent. So don't be discouraged. If you need to do this, I highly recommend it. And if I taught you guys anything, please like, subscribe, let me know. Let me know what I could have done better too. I'm always willing to learn myself. But thank you all. Take it easy.